Hey everybody, welcome to FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions. But before we get started, take a moment, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are made aware of any question that pops up. And the question is, how do you change the pronoun in your Pinterest account? And we're going to do this from our phones. So we're going to open up Pinterest on our phones and we're going to go to our profile page. So here we are at my profile. At the very top right, you have the three dots. You're going to select those three dots and this menu is going to pop up. Okay, so you are going to select the third one down that says Edit Public Profile. And then when you click that, the fourth item down says Pronouns. Click the arrow, and then you have a selection here to choose from. You select it, you hit Done at the top right corner, and then you have it. That's it. It's easy. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. The YouTube gods love it when you do that, and it says, hey, I like you. Go ahead, like it, comment, and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.